Now y'all know I have not done polygel in a long time, right? It's been a minute. So I'm excited to play with some polygels today. Oh! We have some polygels from Modelones that we're gonna try out today. So I'm super excited about doing this video, first and foremost, because I've been dying to try this nail design right here. Now, I have been seeing nail designs like this on and off, and I am so intrigued by them because they're one of those trust the process type nails where they start out real bulky, real nasty, too much going on, and then you shave it down, file it down with an e-file, and you come up with a masterpiece. But if you've been following me for a while, you already know that I love that type of nail art. Like, I'm down for it. It's so funny because half of the time I really don't know what I'm doing and it still comes out really, really good. So I wanted to try this with this polygel kit from Modelones. And in this polygel kit, there's of course 6 different colors of polygel. Then you get the slip solution. You have a brush and a picker in one. You get a mini UV nail lamp. You also get a base coat and a top coat, and then you get a nail file. So we have everything that we need to do this design right here. But I also want to show you what else Modelones sent me. Yeah, look at this. Ain't that so stinking cute? Okay, so this is a flash curing lamp if you didn't know, but I love the way they designed this because number one, it looks like a little cat. Like, you have the little paws here at the bottom, and then you have the cat ears at the top. So it's super, super cute, and it actually works. I already tested it out. I tried it out off camera, and it cures super quickly, which I love when it comes to flash curing. And then it's super easy to move that gooseneck around to get like the perfect angle. Because if you're anything like me, when it comes to flash curing your nails, like, one position ain't gonna cut it. Like, we got to move this thing around, and this one gives you the ability to do that, and we love that. So while doing this, I'm going to be using this cute little cat flash curing UV nail lamp along with the polygel kit. Let's go ahead and get into that. But first, I'm going to go ahead and give a shout out to my first 3 people who commented on my last video. Thank you guys so much for having your post notifications turned on. And if you would like a shout out just like these 3 people here, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications and make sure you're subscribed. That way you're notified each and every time I post, and you can be one of the first 3 people to comment and get a shout out in my very next video. So I still have on that set that I just did in my last video from last week. I had them on for a week now, and they still look like I just did them. They look so good. I'm so proud of these. Make sure you check out that video as well. I honestly don't feel like soaking these off because that's just gonna take all day, and I don't got time for that. To try out this nail design, I'm just gonna go ahead and take off what I did last week. Child, that sandy band wasn't even cutting it. It wasn't getting it off fast enough for me. So I had to pull out this ceramic bit, and it pretty much got the job done. I'm just gonna buff out the surface really quick. This starts off with a white outline at the top of the French. Probably a done deal for this. I need to go ahead and get some more, but I'm still holding on. It's still a little bit like a corner left, so I'm gonna use every bit. So I'm just gonna start off with that. It seems simple, right? Got my acetone. And now fill everything in. Just filling that last bit, and that should be good right there. That, and we can cure that white piece, because after this is where it gets funky. All right, so as promised, I have my new flash curing lamp from Modelones. the kitty one, and I'm gonna go ahead and just flash cure this for about 60 seconds. And that cured it really quickly. So in the kit, we have 6 different polygels. This one is the one I think I want to use because it's the nude one. And in the video, they have a nude. They have a glittery nude, but I think this is fine right here. Definitely gonna use the flash curing lamp to flash cure it as we go. So I'm not gonna let that sit too far. So out of the kit, we have some slip solution. I'm gonna go ahead and get that out along with, where is the brush? Oh, I have the brush right here. So let's go ahead and get our brush out. There we go. And here's the brush side that we're gonna use. There's that. I'm gonna get out my dapping dish so I can go ahead and put my slip solution in there. Oh, it has a little cap on top, I think. There we go. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit in there, and now we can get funky with it. It looks like they take a little bit, just enough. I don't know, maybe I want to go bigger than that. But we can start with this and kind of play with it. So I should have wet my brush to begin with the slip solution. So we can pat it down and really form it into the shape that we want. So really you can, it looks like you can have it in any old shape that you want it to be in. So I am gonna make it any random little shape. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try curing it right here. Let's bring our flash curing lamp out and cure it for 60 seconds. Just let that sit under the lamp and bake. It looks like a little blob. Let's go ahead and get some of that gel from the bottom because I need some more. And then I'm just gonna take the white and outline it with the white, and then basically keep repeating that step until we have the whole white part of the nail covered. And I want to make sure I get this really good, and I'm just going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. And from a side view, that's about how thick we want it. We're going to file it down, so it really doesn't matter how thick we get it. I'm gonna take a little bit more, push it around. Ooh, needed to get more slip solution there. Let's bring it over here. And I just wanna have it around this piece. I'm gonna cure that for 60 seconds. I went on and put that white gel on there, so now here's how it looks. Keep doing it over and over again. Go ahead and cure. I'm gonna try to grab a bigger chunk. Ooh, that's big. Just put it right there. That's a lot of polygel. That might be too big. Let's take a chunk of that off. And let's just deal with this chunk right there. I'll go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. Now we got one more little space there that I want to fill in. Just like that. It's like a little puzzle piece. Pat that in there and cure. Okay, so this is how it looks. Super bulky, I know. I cannot wait for this before and after. So get a good look at this before. Let's get a good look at it. Don't get used to it, because this is not where it's at right here. So we're gonna have to put the white part down of the French, but I want to shape this up a lot better than what it already is. This part right here, so everything is a little bit more uniform than what it is. That is thick right there. We need that to come all the way in. All right, hopefully that's even enough. So now I'm just gonna take the white and go back across the smile line. And now I'm going to cure this. All right, now for the white. So I have some white polygel here for the tip, and this did not come out of the kit. This is some polygel that I had. Also by Modelones. I honestly should have started with a more thinner layer. Well, we can make this thin. I'm gonna try to make this as thin as possible, just so it can cure all the way through. So let's just spread this out. And we can go ahead and cure that. Put just one more layer. I don't know, this side right here is making me so nervous. And that should be enough. I'm gonna go ahead and cure that. Okay, now get a good look. Look at the thickness. So I have my ceramic bit. Oh, look at all that dust. I'm about to go get my dust collector really quick. Now let's try this again. And once I got the bulk of it off, this is how it looks. Wait, let's let it focus. Just like that. And I like to go in with a hand file just to shape it up more. So I go in on each side and go up like that. That file down. Or towards the middle. You can do that free edge. And now we can see what we're working with. I know that's gonna look bomb with a top coat, so let's see. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this top coat on. So the finished product does not look exactly like the picture per se, but I still love the way they turned out. I think it's very unique, but it took way too long to do one nail. Of course, I would never do this in real life on all of my nails, but I feel like this is nail art, truly nail art. So I give myself a 10 out of 10 for that. But this is fun to try, so definitely try it if you haven't done so already. But thank you for watching. If you watched this far, I want to give a big thank you to Modelones for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love this flash curing lamp. You can go check it out on their site. I have the links in the description down below. Also, I will have the link for this polygel kit in the description down below. Modelones has some pretty good bundle deals with this flash curing lamp, so definitely check that out on their website. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to the family. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me.
me, and I will see you guys in my very next video next week.